Welcome back to the station, guys and gals. Found my spot for the next 3 days. It's supposed to be really cold for these 3 days at night, in the 20s. But anyway, welcome back. And for those of you who are new to the station, my name is Dave. And I take you all on camping adventures and have a lot of fun, some cooking and eating, and I don't know, just all kinds of fun stuff. But anyway, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button for more. By the way, we're having a giveaway. My first giveaway. Hey, we'll talk to you guys later, man. See ya. First things first, it is cold and extremely windy. Put on my hoodie. Cold. Can you see me? Okay guys, I'm pretty much set up. Got a fire pit, which I probably won't use today anyway. Got all my stuff here. My kitchen, my firebox stuff. Firebox cast irons are right here. All my coffee bag is right here. Got my heater today. I'm pretty much set. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at, here's the giveaway, guys. It is a night vision 4K UHD 36 MP. I have one. I'll show you later on. It's down here. I have one, and I'll show you how good it takes, how good it looks actually in nighttime. But anyway, and I'll let you know how to win this later on in the video. Just stay tuned, and I will ship it free of charge. I will pay for the shipping for you guys. This is to show my appreciation on 1,000 subscribers. You guys did such an awesome job, man. You really helped me out so much. So I'd like to give back, and this is what I have right now that I can give you guys. So stay tuned for later on. We'll talk to you later. All right, guys. Finally get to relax a little bit. It doesn't take too long to set up. Winter time, it takes me a little longer because I have to bring more stuff. But that's all right. They're saying it's going to be about 25, 26 degrees tonight, overnight. And the 40s, mid 40s tomorrow afternoon. The next 3 days from today, it's going to be in the 20s overnight, and it's going to be cold. Welcome to fall in Arizona. Really, it's pretty peaceful. I don't see anybody. I saw a camper in a tent back that way a little bit, but there's nobody around me. I love it up here. I've camped here a few times, not in this spot. I'll take you later. I camped out over there, and in the video I got lost. It wasn't bad, but just a little bit. You can check that video out somewhere. It's down there anyway. But I'm gonna go back. That's the rim. That overlooks like hundreds of thousands of acres of pines. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll take you guys over there either today or tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. I'm ready for some coffee tonight. I'll probably start dinner early, only because it gets dark early. Sunset today is at 5:30, and so I'll probably start cooking at 4. I'm gonna have, well, start cooking. I'm gonna have just a tonight. I'm just gonna have what are those little dehydrated meals? Mountain House thing. I had one before last year in Colorado, and it was okay. I had the biscuits and gravy. It was just okay. So I'm gonna try this. I don't know what I got. I think it's noodles, pasta, noodles, and I don't know. I'll show you later. But that's for dinner tonight. And because when first day I get here, it's always a little shorter because I get here usually about 11:30, 12 o'clock. So yeah. We're supposed to, I think I already told you guys, we're supposed to get a crap load of rain tonight. We'll see about that. It's supposed to last throughout the entire night. Hopefully it'll dry out, because right down here coming in, there was water there, mud. And see if I can get through that. If it gets deeper. Yeah, no problem, I'll make it out. I'm gonna make some coffee. I'm cold and I need something warm. Got some new coffee. Kona coffee was getting a little expensive, so I found some Kauai coffee. It's also from Hawaii, and it's got I like the flavor better. It's a little bit stronger of a flavor, which I prefer, but it's delicious. So I'm gonna have some of that. So look. Oh yes, nice and hot and strong. I drink it black, by the way. So I was gonna bring a pumpkin. I was going to carve a pumpkin. I've never in my life carved a pumpkin. So I was going to carve a pumpkin for you guys to laugh at, for your entertainment. But by the time this video airs, it'll be past Halloween by a couple of days. So I figured I'll save you the trouble of watching that, the pain that you would have went through. I don't know, maybe it would have turned out nice or good. Who knows? I never did one before. I'm not an artist, so I can't really do much like that. But it would have been fun. I should have just did it anyway, hell. It's very windy, so I don't know if you hear me really good. I'll find out when I look at this clip later on and see. And if you can't hear me because of the wind, I'll make some arrangements here so you can hear me better. I have those cordless little lapel mics. They were cheap and they're crappy. It's worse with those on and talking into them than it is the wind. So I'll wait till I get some nice mics. I want to get those roads, RODE, I believe it is. I'll get a set of those, so I won't have any worries. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. Blue sky. I don't see one single cloud in the sky, and they're calling for a downpour. I think that's what the wind is doing right now, is blowing that storm in from somewhere from the west. First time I seen a sign down here. We went to use the restrooms over there at the ranger station, but they were closed up for the season, which means they close this place up as soon as they get a snow. Once it snows, it's closed. Which sucks because I want to camp in the snow. I want a snow camp. But they said, well, they never used to close it, but they had to rescue too many people who couldn't get out or whatever. So I think, I don't know, I even tried down on the Flagstaff side. They closed that down too. It's all closed up. So I'm going to try, it looks like my camera might be blowing over, hold on. It's shaking. But anyway, I'm going to try Prescott. I don't think that they close all the roads there. I'll have to check with the ranger station over there and find out. But man, I want to camp in the snow. I want to camp in the blizzard, just once, have fun. I'll suffer for you guys. You guys are so kick butt, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna sit here for a bit, and I'll probably take you over to the rim. You know what? In a little while, I'm gonna walk over to the rim. It's not that far of a walk, but I'll take you guys with me, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. How gorgeous it is. There's actually, this is a Bigfoot area. Been sightings up here. They call it the Mogollon Monster, but it's Bigfoot. And this whole rim area, all the way up to the Grand Canyon, even up there in Williams, they have sightings of Bigfoot. And hey, maybe we'll see them, huh? I don't want to see cattle this time because they got me hungry for a ribeye in my last video. You got to check that out. One of these cows gave me the stare down too. It's like, come any further, boy. I didn't. I walked away. I kept on going. Okay, guys, I'm gonna sit here, finish my coffee, and we'll get back to you before we go up to the rim. All right? We'll see you guys later. Yeah, I'm excited about that giveaway, my first giveaway. It's really cool that what I'm giving away too. I've got one and I use it. It's really neat. You can see it in pitch black. It's pitch black out. You turn that on, and I'll show you tonight. You turn it on, and boy, you see really good. Oh, I'm going to set up my trail cam again. There's me over there. And hopefully I won't forget to turn it on. Let's go down this way. They're parked over there. It's so nice out. Windy and cold though. I'm definitely not having a fire tonight, which is unfortunate. Here we are. That's gonna fly off. You hear that wind? Steep. Really steep. Those other spots. I mean, it is gorgeous. Oh, that rock almost fell. When your blood sugars get low, always have something really good on hand. Look at that. So good. Oh man, still real quiet. That's why I like it here. It's always very quiet. Every time I've come here, it's been super quiet and hardly any neighbors. On the way in to this camp, there's a sign that said Bear Inn area. And then there was another sign that said Bear Country. When you're out camping, you just got to be aware, always aware. It's still so beautiful and peaceful, but always be aware for the animals, the predator animals, and thieves, because there are thieves. That's why I don't like leaving my truck. If I could lock that topper, I'd go on long hikes, but I can't. But I have some changes coming up. It won't be till probably for about 6-7 months. I'll tell you about it and I'll show it to you when I get in for the night. Oh man, this is going to be a game changer. I'm telling you. It's cold. If I don't stop eating this right now, I'm gonna be sick tonight. So let me put it away. Well, one more bite. Just one more. Oh, man. Okay, here's dinner. Mountain House chili mac with beef. Don't know if you can see that. Let me look. Yep, you can see it. Okay, guys, let's try dinner. Well, I think I may have put a little too much water in, but that's okay. It should be good. Let's try it. Ooh, it's hot. Nope. Now we're talking. Mountain House, Chili Mac. Oh, oh. Another perfectly cooked steak. Nice and pink. Yummy. For the tummy. Oh. All right, guys. I'll be back. Hey, guys. Just finished eating dinner. All washed up. Wanted to show you something on the giveaway. This is the nighttime goggles. Well, vision. This doesn't do it justice, but it really works really good. It's really cool. It's pitch black out there right now where you see all those trees. If I took it away, I couldn't see those trees. But anyway, I wanted to show you what it looked like. It is pitch black out there. Okay, guys, I'll catch you in a bit. Hey, guys. All right, about the giveaway. This is a 36 MP Night Vision 4K UHD. You see that? It takes pictures, it takes videos. You charge it with a USB port. And as you saw at night, it's really clear at night. It's a lot of fun. It supports micro SD card. All you have to do to win it, and I'm going to pay the shipping too, is as long as you're in the United States. If you're in the United States and you want this, comment down below. Somewhere put at Dave's Camping Adventures in your comment. At Dave's Camping Adventures. Subscribe. You got to be subscribed. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching, shame, shame, shame. Hit that subscribe button. All right. So anyway, that's all you really have to do is just subscribe, comment, and like. And I'll pick the winner. Probably in the next video, I'll have the winner. All right. Sound good? Good luck. Have fun with it. This is a lot of fun at night. Pitch black, you can see. So anyway, I'm babbling now. Just comment at Dave's Camping Adventures. Give it a like and subscribe. Very important. If you're not subscribed, you can't win. Yeah, I know. I'm bribing you. For those of you who haven't subscribed. If you haven't, by the way, hit that subscribe button. It is, you know what I'm going to say, free. Okay, guys, that's it on that. And, yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit. I'm going to make some coffee. I'm in my topper, obviously. But I'm going to make some coffee. It's freezing cold out there. Well, it's not freezing cold. It's 54 degrees out there. And it's 58 degrees inside here. You see that? So anyway, it's supposed to be in the 20s tonight. I'm not looking forward to that. But this is YouTube. We have to do it all, right? All right, guys, we'll catch you later. I almost forgot, guys. I told you there is a big change coming. It's down the road. But check this out. Check this out. Oh, hold on. This is a pack out shell that I'm going to be purchasing. Probably, oh, I don't know, June, July, maybe earlier. It's a hard shell, and reason being is because my topper. I love my topper, but I can't travel too far with it because of the grizzly bears, and they can just melt right through this. But a hard top would be a lot safer. So I am so looking forward to that. I mean, I can have windows on each side here if I wanted. I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it solid for cost reasons mainly. But I'm going to have the back window here. I'm going to have the window up front there. And yeah, I am excited on this, man. I love it. I love it. So that's the news. I was looking at all kinds of toppers. In fact, my friend Gary's got one that he might be selling later. Hey, Gary, from God's Backcountry Overland. That's his station on YouTube. Go check him out. He's got some good stuff on there. Once again, I love it. I love it. Love it. So anyway, yeah. That's the news. Okay, guys, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to hit the sack. Finish watching my movie, and then I'm going to go to bed. Well, I should call my wife first. Okay. You guys, take care. We'll see you guys on the next time I see you. In the morning. The next video, though. Okay. All right, man. We'll see you guys later. Take care. Oh, folks, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It is free. Guys, take care. We'll talk to you later. See ya.